it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night.
Good morning. Happy Monday. We made it, thank God, right? And the weekend's over. We start a new week with new ambitions, new goals, new dreams, that sort of thing, or to try and establish our dreams. That's what I'm really excited about. I'm going to have a class at 9 p.m. to 11, Airbrush class, right there in my Airbrush studio. I know I said in an earlier post I'm going to try and do every day in November, and that's just one of those things that is not going to happen. So I'm going to be doing probably, I would say, let's shoot for 20 days of video, 20 days of the Airbrush diary for the month of November. That would be exciting. So this way I could share my technique and share a little bit of my life and maybe take you with me to the gym, that sort of thing, even though it's getting kind of crazy. Finishing the nude that I just did, so you'll see how I bring it to end, bring it to completion. So that's going to be really cool.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. Yeah, I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive